Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove the memory card or the microSD card from Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. In order to do this, we need to take a look at the left side of the device. Over here we have the SIM tray where we can also locate the memory card. And of course we need to use the pin ejector that we can find inside the box in order to open the SIM tray, in order to eject it. Place the pin inside this hole. There we go, and once we are in, we need to push it so that it opens up just a little bit, and once it comes out slightly, use your fingers in order to take it out completely. There you go. And of course over here we have our SIM card, and we can simply push it from the bottom in order to take it out. And that's all we need to do. And now we can place the SIM tray back in. Of course, match the circle that we use in order to eject the SIM tray. And there we go. That's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.